I can make Gohan and gacha online. Also, you guys could have chosen something, cause, cause here's what. Oh well, I just gave away the color. Well, it's a color, and yeah, it's for back hair and shirt. You could have just given. You just could have just given me. You could have just gave. You should have. You could have just chosen a. You could have just chosen a freaking person, and then out of nowhere, you guys chose a freaking girl. I don't know what you guys have in the exception with girls, but still. I mean, I don't. It's not that bad if you chose girls to want me to make tutorials, but I feel like me making girls are just getting too old. Anyway, real hair, 39, 300 and 947. But you guys could have chosen something on community post. Because here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna choose the tutorial for now. Front hair, 200 and 449. Back hair, 1200 and 490. Sleeve, 1100 and 627. Jacket, 500 and 158. Shirt, 1200 and 541. Eyes, 85. Pupils, 999. Eyebrows, 2. Nose, face AC1. Nose, 200 and 572. Pants 20. Shoe, 67. Oh yeah, and don't forget about scarf. Scarf, 300 and 850. And you're finished. Here's the color. Yeah, you guys already know the color. Yeah. So here, and this is just orange like Goku. Copy that. Oh yeah, glove 16. Here's the color for color 2. Shoe. Yeah, you're finished.